Do you have a drawing that you adore so much but it didn't turn out well when it finished? Probably the page issue or probably the mood issue. So I will show you how you enhance any drawing in your mobile. Just it doesn't even need anything. So open Medibang Paint Pro. No, sorry, Medibang Paint. The first layer, then open the image you want to enhance from your gallery. Go to plus sign, select an image to add. There. As I take the image, I will try to fix it on the canvas. Then take a layer above it. Make the layer blending to overlay because I'm gonna lit it up. Take the color necessary for it. I'll take orange and paint over it. There. I will lit up other places as well, not only around the drowning sun. I will prefer yellow and some sky blue for the other areas, and some greenish, which is for the swamp areas where we are getting the shadow of the trees and brush. Next, take another layer and put the blending mode to add. Then take a lighter color here, which is green but it looks white because of the blending mode. Then take pen tool and paint the highlight. Highlight always goes under blending mode of add or divide. It depends. I prefer using add, and add is going good with this drawing. That's fine. So I'm creating some highlights on the boring picture. It actually ruined picture of me, and making making some parts glossy and lit up. Highlights and shadow always makes our image pretty, no matter what you're drawing. I will. That's actually all of it. It's mostly done. Now there's another thing which you could try before or after. Go to the layer where the actual image is, then play with the brightness. You can lower the brightness like this, medium, or you can light it up like a merry morning. It looks normal and it looks way dark. I'm not sure if this is possible. Mainly this version is possible or not, but it still looks good. Anyway, this is just up to you. Your image, your imagination, your loving. Now I take another brush. I took Stripper, make a lighter color come, and on the added layer I will put some Stripper for it, some more enhancement. It's just up to you how you're gonna play with your drawing. I take another layer and put it, add blending again, so that if I use a stipple and after some time I need to erase some part, and I can erase it easily without erasing other parts which are already there and I don't want to erase. Okay. Opacity, I lower down the opacity. Then I'm drawing it over the water and the sky. We're done. That's it all. I have some extra parts around boundary, so I'll crop it. Select tool, make a selection, and crop down there. Ta-da. It's done, and it's end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.